Hey guys, welcome to Crimson U. In this video, we're going to dive into the incredible benefits of okra that can do wonders for your health. Now, we all know that okra is a detoxifying powerhouse. However, its slimy texture can be a turnoff for some people. But fear not. Okra is a true champion for burning cholesterol and toxins, effectively flushing them out of your body. But that's not all. Okra also works wonders for your digestion, preventing cramping and bloating. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin A, which helps prevent macular degeneration and cataracts. So not only will your gut thank you, but your eyes will too. And let's not forget about the skin benefits. Okra is a superhero in fighting free radicals and keeping your skin youthful. It's like a natural fountain of youth in vegetable form. Boosting your immunity? Okra has got you covered. Packed with antioxidants, this green veggie gives your immune system the kick to stay strong and healthy. Here's a fun fact. Okra is also a secret weapon against hypertension. Its potassium content relaxes blood vessels, helping to lower your blood pressure. Say goodbye to those pesky hypertension worries. But wait, there's more. Okra is a true guardian of your heart. It helps prevent strokes and heart attacks, ensuring your cardiovascular health is top shape. Now, let's talk about how you can enjoy this incredible vegetable. You can add okra to stews, stir-fries, or even grill it for a delicious and nutritious treat. The possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from Crimson U. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.